Okay, Alia, from student to producer, congratulations on this supremely exciting collaboration with Prime Video for Don't Be Shy. So don't be shy. Tell us about it.
This is a very big moment for us because, we're a small but very passionate, very new production company, Eternal Sunshine Productions. And we, Shaheen and I, very early on, when we started out, decided that we would like to give as much sunshine to the movies that the movies have given to us. And Don't Be Shy is a film that we literally cannot wait for the audience to see, and it would not have been possible without our partners, Vikesh from Chalkboard and our executive producer, Ankita, so thank you so much. And yeah, I'm not shy, I've spoken quite a bit.
Yeah, when Shriti Mukherjee, the director of Don't Be Shy, came to us with this idea, we fell in love with it immediately. It was exactly the kind of fresh, vibrant storytelling that we were hoping to bring to life. And yeah, we're just very, very proud of this film, and we're so happy that Shriti trusted us with this.
Well, that's why we can't wait to have her join us right here on this stage. And I have personal love, affection, and history with her as well. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the debutante director of Don't Be Shy, Shriti Mukherjee. That I know Shriti because she was my core team and my really creative support system on Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And the reason why she lost all that weight is because she worked on Brahmastra for 7 years. And she's still in that, post kind of trauma mode, right? Right? So, okay, we all our sympathies with you, sweetheart. We promise that part 2 will not take 7 years. All right. So we have the producers and the director here. Who is in the film?
Actors?
That's lovely. With AI, you never know. But very reassuring to hear that. What I meant was, who are the actors?
Okay, so these actors are making their debut.
All right.
And we also made our debut once upon a time.
All right, okay.
I mean, they're performers.
Yeah.
Just like perfect for a coming-of-age romantic film like this one.
It's all wonderful. And I'd love to take this chat, post the show. But I see where we're going in circles a little bit, like thoda gol like that. So do these actors or performances have names, or they're just creatures?
Yeah.
No, they have names.
Good names.
They have names.
Very nice names.
Yeah.
Good names.
Yeah. Solid.
Okay, I've been polite so far. I just have to say it as it is. But what are these names?
I have to say, Nikhil, it's been an honor partnering with Prime Video. You all have the most fantastic team, and we can't wait for Don't Be Shy to be on Prime Video for the world.
I see. You've truly mastered the art of being a seasoned producer already. Alia, because your answers seem beautifully independent of my questions for some reason.
Yes, Karan, because there is a way to launch actors.
And clearly I would know that, would I? I've never done something like that.
Well, what can I say? We've learned from the best. And the best have always taught us that there's a timing for everything.
Okay.
And speaking of timing, I think this would be a great time for a group photo, which would be incomplete without our co-producer, Grishma Shah. So.
But before he comes in, I have a very important question to ask you. It's crucial and critical, and it's not on the script. Are they outsiders?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. All right, okay. While the actors are kept under wraps then, I would like to introduce the team that made this happen. Please welcome their partner in crime on stage.
It's been such a pleasure to bring this movie to life. It's an incredibly sweet, beautiful movie, and I think it's going to connect with young audiences, not only in India, but across the world. We're absolutely delighted to partner with this lovely team of women creators. Thank you for bringing the movie to us, Alia.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. And without revealing much, you have already piqued everyone's attention. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Prime Video presents Don't Be Shy.
Thank you for that very kind and slightly exaggerated introduction. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I don't know if you all know, but I became an actor out of fear. Fear of failure, to be exact. Every instinct in my body said, this is going to be impossible. But I pushed through that impossibility, and out of that space, HRX was born. Born out of the journey from hopelessness to inspiration. That was the transformation. Born to inspire the people who now face impossible challenges in their lives like I did. But I sit on the producer's chair with HRX Films with a completely different feeling. I sit solely and purely out of love. My irreplaceable, irrevocable, unconditional love for cinema. Here is where I truly feel the freedom, I truly feel the flight. And I could not have taken this flight if it was not for my brother Ishan Roshan, who truly is the wind beneath our wings and the force behind HRX Films. And thank you to the best partners ever. Here is where we begin at Prime Video. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you, Sahira. Thank you, Chetan. Of course, Nicole and the entire team at Prime Video. Thank you for believing in HRX Films, and let's do this. God bless. Thank you. Ah, there you are.
Wow. Hrithik, sorry, I'm going to call you Hrithik just because it's a formal function, but I always call you Dugu, but that might not be appropriate for today. Hrithik, that was quite an entry. It really was. And thank you for actually entering the zone as a producer now. It truly actually warms my heart to see that happen.
Well, Karan, you have literally been the best producer I have worked with.
Oh.
You have any advice for a newbie producer like me?
So let's get some facts right. Okay, so you've grown up on film sets. You've learned filmmaking from your illustrious grandfather, Mr. Jayam Prakash, and your father, Mr. Rakesh Roshan, who is one of the most prolific filmmakers, producers, and directors. And then you were an AD for many years before you launched yourself into the biggest big screen debut there ever was. I think you've been training all your life to join this producers club, actually.
That's a lot to live up to. Thanks for reminding me. I can feel the burden now.
No, you don't have to. Don't worry. You'll be amazing at everything you do. But on a serious note, the first order of business as producer, why don't you please introduce all of us to the title?
Absolutely, with pleasure. So, as we all know, every transformation begins with a storm. Every new role begins with a storm, and that's where HRX Films also begins. I very proudly present to you our first venture with Prime Video, Storm.
First, before we get the photographs, we're really excited about Storm. It's a crime thriller with such a talented cast. It's helmed by an amazing team over here. We couldn't be more excited about the series that you guys are producing. Thank you so much.
I have the question actually.
Yeah.
I really want to ask Ishan this question. So how do you and Hrithik settle any differences, and trust me, there may be and there will be, of opinion on scripts that you'd like to make? How does that process work?
So, frankly, Karan, I'll speak the truth. It is very difficult to get HR to like a story. He approaches the stories that he wants to produce with the same passion that he chooses them for his acting. So, if I really like a story and I connect with it and I take it to him, and he connects with it as well, then it's all good. We go ahead. But if he doesn't connect with it, then I have to respect that decision and I take it back. But then I keep that story with me for a few days, maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months. But if it's still bothering me and it's still haunting me, the story, yeah, then I take it back to him and I present it to him in a very different way. And then again, we sit on it and we have our discussions and we see the merits, demerits, how much work is required, what is it that we have to work on. And then sometimes he says yes.
But you know, inadvertently, Ishan, I think you struck upon the Hrithik Roshan process yourself, because I think that's what he does with his own films. He says no, then it festers, then he'll call back, and then many a time it's happened that he's done that film after a gap of many months of thought and marinating, right? So I think this is a little bit of a trick you're playing with him.
Yeah, no. If it's just passion, I think sometimes he sees the passion in the person who's presenting.
Right.
And the person who's pursuing it.
Right.
And then I think sometimes he goes with that passion.
Well, fantastic. By the way, I have to say this, that looked absolutely fantastic. So congratulations to all of you. It looked amazing. I want to watch this ASAP. I can't wait for it to drop. Before we go ahead, we'd love to have Gaurav Gandhi and Nicole back on stage for a photo. Nikhil, we would like you to join the team as well, please. I think you may have to come up front for the photographs so that they can all capture you in all your glory. Please, I'd request the team to come. Kahan chahte hain aap? But I can't let Hrithik and Ishan go anywhere. We have some fun stuff still to come. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for being here. All right. So just as they say, when a storm passes, it leaves behind some element of mess, right? It does. And nobody likes to clean up except the lead of your next film. Who is a perfectionist homeowner? The kind of guy whose house is so clean, you feel scared to even, well, I would feel scared to gossip, because you don't want to spill any tea or coffee for that matter, but all goes wrong when home invaders break in with their shoes on.
So this is a comedy with a thrilling twist. In this, the hero doesn't panic, he doesn't scream, he doesn't run, he cleans.
Wow.
Prime Video presents Mess. sneak peek into the world of mess. Well, it seems like Pratik Gandhi couldn't be here today because he's still tidying up things. But joining us on stage today are director Rajesh A. Krishnan, Gajraj Rao, Ranveer Shori, and Anurag Thakur. Okay. So, Rajesh, I wanted to ask you something. Your command over this genre is fantastic. We all know that. Your past work has been so amazing. Can you tell us a little more about this movie and what can audiences expect from this one?
There's honestly only one rule worth putting onto anything when you're attempting comedy, which is basically if you're going to be funny, then make sure people laugh. Yeah, so I think the audience can pretty much expect to laugh till all the way. And as far as our collabs, well, here's the thing. Neither of these brothers are as serious as they look here. Right? So pretty much all jam sessions end up devolving into one massive, goofball of like tomfoolery. I'm very, very happy to tell you that pretty much everything has found its way into the film, and I think honestly, it's very liberating to have producer partners like that. So there you go.
Well, Hrithik, both Storm and Mess are from such different worlds, actually. They totally are. How do you select what story you truly want to tell?
So this is partly the trick that Ishan uses on me. When he insisted that I watch this show called Tabbar, and my mind was blown. And then he insisted I meet Ajit Pal. And when I met Ajit Pal, I connected so deeply with his cinematic mind that I just knew that, yaar, I have to do something with this human being. I don't even care what it is. And we started chatting, and the Storm emerged out of that conversation. And then there was the script called The Mess, which was lying on my shelf, and Ishan was like constantly, padho, 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 again and again and again. And I didn't know what to do with it until in the pandemic, I sat and I watched Loot Case. And finally the dots connected, because perhaps the only visionary who could justify that script, this straight-faced, crazy comedy, was Rajesh Krishnan. So apparently at HRX Films, really it's all about the director. And I'm really thankful for the pushing. Thank you, Ishu.
Well, we're grateful for the pushing as well, because now we have a messy Storm really coming up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, may I please invite Gaurav Gandhi, Nikhil and Nicole to join us again for a quick photo op, please.
Hrithik, we couldn't be happier to partner with you as you begin your new journey as a producer. We're looking forward to Storm, Mess, and doing so much more with you in the future. You and Ishan both. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for believing in us.
Super.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you for joining us on stage. Once again, a huge round of applause for Hrithik Roshan and a warm welcome to HRX Films.
To the best host in the world. Love you, Karan.
It's difficult to pinpoint one, But just picking up from where Ekta was talking, actually, firstly, I have to say this is mine and Ekta's third collaboration. And I have noticed her in the first two projects, and I think by far she's the most passionate about one. I have never had a producer who could narrate me the film from start to finish. And the amount of hard work that she's put in onto this film, along with, of course, this prolific team, but because I know her the longest, no, of course, because I know her the longest, I have to say I'm most excited about my project with Balaji here. And then, as she said, the German seed comes from TVF. Who we all have seen their shows with Amazon. I think they're one of the first to actually have something of a fifth season in Amazon for the first time, which is Panchayat. Okay, we won't announce it as yet, but our director who's not here, who's directed Panchayat with Amazon. And then we have a wonderful team of our cast and team who've executed this germ into a larger, big cinema experience, which is Manu Anand, as you can see, who's gotten the visuals, Neeraj, who's produced it, and of course then the cast are prolific actors along with me, starting with Tamanna, Shweta, and I don't know why I've become the host, but I just want to say I'm really excited to be with this wonderful team, and it's going to give you a big screen experience, folk with thriller, a lot of fun and intrigue. So we're really excited about this project and bring it to the big cinemas near you.
We also hear, Sid, that of course your tremendous star presence, Tamanna and you make such a gorgeous couple, and you all are both going to be incredible. The teaser looks fantastic, but we believe from inside sources that Manish Paul is the big highlight of this film. He just paid me a big amount to say this, sir.
बस ये host और host के बीच में
Yeah.
ghost हो रहे हैं.
In kind, he's saying, baby, darling, Kanis ki aarzu बढ़ती नहीं जा रही. All right. Now, for the photo op, I would request, but before that, Tamanna, we would love to hear from you.
It's my first collaboration with Ekta.
And how lucky am I?
I have to tell you, it's been...
मेरी दिल की तमन्ना.
लेकिन अब तो एकता मेरे दिल की तमन्ना की तमन्ना बन गई है.
वाह. इतनी सारी तमन्ना.
बहुत सारी तमन्नाएं पूरी हो गई हैं एक्चुअली इस फिल्म के द्वारा. Working with Sid was a long dream, and I'm very happy that I've had that chance to collaborate with him. I think he's a really fine actor, and I have to say Deepak sir is not here.
Yes.
Deepak sir hasn't come here today.
Our director.
But I feel like after very long, even I heard a script where a commercial film which I really grew up on, like I've grown up on commercial movies, to have a strong soul within a commercial film can be extremely powerful. And I've seen that happen to films of mine that have done well. And when I heard the story of this film, I felt like it had such a strong anchor with our Indian folklore being at the forefront. I truly believe that this would be that pakka masala film which actually leaves you very emotional at the end. And I feel like that I've been missing when I go to the theaters. And I'm very excited. I hope we bring that to the audiences. And I'm so happy that this film is with Prime Video. Prime Video is like second family for me. I've done so many shows with them, and I'm happy that we're going to be, one is going to be showing here. And we have the most amazing team, starting with Manu sir, Neeraj sir, Arnab sir, and just like how Sid was being host, I have also become host.
Yes, I know, and the Filmfare goes too.
And
as you can see,
but I think it's Karan, it's because of you, you're rubbing onto us.
This is one team. This is one team, and this team is one, Karan.
That is wow.
देखा?
One.
आपके साथ हम भी थोड़ा सीख रहे थे.
Wow. मेरे pun master. I tell you, wow. This is the first team I want to know that has really thanked each other. I want to tell you, other teams have not done it as beautifully and as sincerely, like I said, like you all.
Very thankless teams then, but you know.
Yes, I know. But you are all about gratitude, and we know that about you. We know that about all of you. To say Threes, because you're Ekta. You're bringing the magic and popularity of the supernatural to cinemas and streaming with such deeply inspired cultural nuances. What can you tell us about the film and the world of this spectacular teaser that we just saw of One?
So, Indian folklore has been a part of all of us. And I think it's time that we bring out with state-of-art VFX and a large screen experience some of our most undiscovered Indian folklore. And we have a very, very interesting cast here. Siddharth, Tamanna, my old favorite Shweta, Manish. And it's also our first association with TVF on film and with Amazon. So it is, I think, one of our most exciting scripts. It was brought to us as a concept by TVF. So it is going to give a whole new, I think it's going to be a whole new genre breaker. So hoping for the audiences to like it the way we do.
You had to collaborate with TVF because TV is you. And if you weren't going to collaborate with TVF, then who was?
Wow.
With TV, we now have an F.
Well, we like the sound of that. Yes, we love the sound of that. Producing a comedy, which has truly been your strength, and you've really truly won the box office with many a great film that have tickled our funny bones. It really must be something special to pique your interest. Please tell us some more about this film.
So one of the afternoons when I was waiting for my last couple of scenes of Tere Ishq Mein from Himanshu, he came in and he said, "Sir, ek idea hai." So when he comes with this thing, I said he wants to buy time for some more scenes to be written for Tere Ishq Mein. Then he narrated me Nayi Naveli. And the first thing that came to my mind कि यार इसको जल्दी से बना लेते हैं. Let's move fast. And उसके लिए जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है what have a director. So we got Balaji on board. You need a strong performer. Here she is. And the strong partners. Here they are. And this is Nayi Naveli. And when you have something big to say or a very strong thought, it has to be coated well with, humor. So according to me, the film has got a great value system attached to it, and it required a lot of humor, which comes very naturally to Himanshu. So we are here with Nayi Naveli. Thank you.
I can say one thing, that when our team at Amazon heard the script, even we had the same reaction. So isko jaldi se banate hain. It's a lovely script. Yami, I wanted to ask you, you've been going from strength to strength with every performance of yours, such fantastic work. But Nayi Naveli as a supernatural comedy is a slightly different space from what you've done before. So what drew you to it?
Namaskar. Thank you so much for this warm welcome. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Nikhil. And what drew me was exactly what you said, hatke hai. original hai. It's the originality which I'm a fan of. And when an original idea is backed by creative visionaries like Anand sir, Himanshu, Balaji sir, some fantastic HODs, fantastic talent, and of course, strong partner backing us with Amazon, MGM. I expect some magic to happen and just let go and go with the flow and give our audience the best experience we can to the best of our abilities. And Baki sab, God's been kind, and we hope to give you an experience, something which you feel it's absolutely been worth your time and money.
Yami, God is kind, but your talent is exceptional. And we can't wait to see it yet again. With each performance, you're really hitting it out of the park, stadium, universe, everything. Like, I don't know where that ball is going now anymore.
सिलेबस के हिसाब से जियोगे तो ऑर्डिनरी रहोगे। एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बनने के लिए आउट ऑफ सिलेबस जाना पड़ेगा। एक फैसला जो पूरी जिंदगी की स्पीड बदल दे, ये है रफ्तार।
Please give a huge shout out to Rajkumar Rao and welcome on stage the very talented director Aditya Nimbalkar.
Big actor, a filmmaker. Do you reckon you could have been like a serial entrepreneur?
Well, I don't mind because, if I could be a really big entrepreneur, I could actually buy stakes in a lot of big film studios and then make my own films.
Wow, that is a good answer. And a lot of us have been up for sale as well.
But the point is to make films,
Yeah.
no matter how you make them. Because being an entrepreneur, I won't have any idea to how to make films.
Yeah.
So I'll have to be dependent on
Take the
film
expertise,
studios. Yeah.
yes. Well, I imagine whatever Rajkumar Rao does, he does fantastically, including how fantastic this looks and how great you always are. Congratulations, Aditya, as well.
Thank you, Karan.
Wow, this is a new foray, right? Yes. So many exciting things happening. Bhuvan, you've already created so many sensations on YouTube and on other platforms that we can't mention. But Kuku Ki Kundli has such a fun premise. I remember reading the script for the first time and finding it supremely entertaining. Somain had, and his team had developed it. And when I read it, I thought, this has huge success all over it. But for everyone present here, why don't you share something about your character in the film and how it has been working with Amazon and of course us at Dharma Productions?
Firstly, it feels surreal to be standing here. Two of my most favorite mentors are here. I remember a decade ago, we did FanFest together.
Yeah.
And I just requested you, ki, sir, I'm doing T2 talks on stage in front of 10,000 people. Will you be a part of it? And without any hesitation, he agreed to do it. And he actually came. So we had to manage everything, but he was such a sport. And since then, every decision that I take in life, I just text him once that I'm going to do this, please guide me. And with Nikhil sir, it's been one hell of a ride. My first ever show, he made it happen. My second show, he was there. And my first movie, he's there. So thank you, Nikhil sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Kuku is just like me. मेरी तरह लड़का है कुकू, दिल्ली का, awkward. उसको लड़कियों से बात करनी नहीं आती. He's very shy. But like many other Delhi boys, he's a lover boy. And yeah, so it's been a great, fun ride shooting with this guy. And he's a phenomenal director. And I don't believe that we still have 15 days to go.
Oh.
15
You have
days of
15
shoot.
days to go, Shari. All right, okay.
Lesser.
Well, just a note that we have some exciting producers with us. Somen Mishra, who heads all the development at Dharma. Raj Mehta, who's a solid filmmaker himself, is now turning producer, and his foray into production with Kuku Ki Kundi while he directs a film of his own. Marika, a strong pillar of our company and will always be. Sharan Sharma, who made his debut at Dharma Productions with Gunjan Saxena, making his third feature film. Apurva Mehta, who I cannot live without. So it's like a full coming together of various pillars of Dharma Productions. So Kuku Ki Kundli, I keep saying, Kuku Ki Kundli.
You started this, Karan. From the first day, it's been Kuku, Kiki, Kuku.
By the way, I was the only one getting it right because Apurva called it Kuku Ki Koti and you called it something else altogether.
Yeah.
So I was the only one getting it right, and for some reason today, for 3 hours on stage, all on my own, I think I can be allowed a certain slip of the tongue.
But I wanted to ask Vamika. Vamika, you started your journey with Prime Video at Jubilee, and now with Amazon MGM Studios, with Kuku Ki Kundli. It's been a remarkable journey. Just tell us how you feel.
Wow. ये इतना बड़ा मुझे आंसर यहाँ पे देना
क्या था सवाल? मैं देता हूँ. मैं टिप्स दूँ. क्या सवाल पूछा?
कि जुबली से लेके अब तक क्या है? पहले क्वेश्चन मिला था वो ये था कि डिस्क्राइब इट इन वन वर्ड. मैंने कहा हाँ, एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब कर दूंगी. आपने मुझे वन वर्ड डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए बोला नहीं. बट एनीवे मैं सोच के आई थी कि आई एम गोना से बिकमिंग. मैंने बहुत सोचा कि क्या बोलूँ मैं, वन वर्ड में कैसे डिस्क्राइब करूँ. It started off as I am supposed to reach some destination, but जैसे जैसे ये जर्नी चलती गई, I understood that it's not about any destination, it's about becoming, or the whole journey was about learning, unlearning, and just making me more aware about my own self, and I've been discovering who I am in phases and in bits. I'm as an actor and as a person. So yeah, it's not a one-word answer, but I think
It's a good answer.
This is how I would describe it.
Thank you.
I'm sure you've had a wonderful time because every time I see the stills of the film and all the footage, it looks like you guys had a great time and are making a solid film.
We are having so much fun.
Yeah. Apurva, would you like to share something about the excitement about Kuku Ki Kundli?
No, this is such an exciting script. It's really true Dharma style, rom-com, entertainer, fun. There's chaos because the Kundlis create some confusion, but I'll save the rest for later. But it's been so lovely making this with Amazon Studios, and we've done so much work with them, and it's always such a pleasure, Nikhil. So thank you. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity again.
Amazon has... an amazing ensemble of talent we have here. Ladies and gentlemen, they deserve a huge round of applause.
And next, we're going to play a teaser for Matka King. Please enjoy this. Okay, joining the wonderful cast on stage are three of the most creative minds in show business. Let's hear it for Siddharth Roy Kapoor, Abhay Korane, and the brilliant Nagraj Manjule.
This and the Shadi. All right, wow, that looked absolutely fantastic. And what, like I said earlier, what an absolutely terrific cast and such prolific filmmakers behind it. Vijay, serial killer, gangster, now you're a gambling kingpin. Seems like being an outlaw really does pay off for you. And well, how do you ensure that no two characters actually feel the same to you in your interpretation?
I mean, the stories are completely different. And this one, Matka King, is set in the 60s about a man who found a loophole in the system, and he found an enterprise and ran with it and made a massive empire and accumulated a lot of fortune, not just for himself, for his entire family. So it's a very relevant piece of history that we've forgotten, and I feel like to be able to tell this story with this incredible team and my dream director, Nagraj Manjule, is an honor that I've been waiting for.
Lovely. Kritika, Sai, I also wanted to ask you, both of you are such talented actresses. Can you tell us about some experiences from the shoot that really stood out for you?
Go, Sai. Oh. I think working with such fantastic team, the actors, the production house, everybody, it was a feeling of full Sangam, and that full Sangam feeling has stayed with me. Honestly, I'd like to make one confession. I've also said yes to this so that I can meet Vidya ji someday. Vidya ma'am, I'm really a huge fan. But it was a great experience, and I'm really looking forward to this one.
Well, before we proceed, I'd love to invite on stage Sahira Nair, head of Hindi scripted series, Prime Video India, on stage for a photo with the team on stage. Nikhil, of course, has to be there. Welcome on stage, Sahira.
Kritika, your some moment that you remember.
I love this period. These 70s going into 80s, my favorite period for its fashion, for the films, for music. So just to be a part of this world that we created, and the team created it so beautifully, was absolutely amazing.
Super.
Second, please. किसकी हिम्मत मुझसे कुछ नहीं पूछा मटका किंग सीरीज देखिए पता चलेगा कौन है
Prolific words.
Such a pleasure and delight being part of this superbly talented team. Amazing director, producer Siddharth Roy Kapoor, Amazon, together, and extremely, extremely talented actors. I've had fantastic time doing this series, and I'm very sure आप सबको भी ये सीरीज देखकर मजा आएगा और ये कंफ्यूजन भी क्लियर होगा मटका किंग है कौन
Ali, the teaser looks incredibly, incredibly intense. How did you prepare yourself to bring that level of intensity to your character?
Oh, it's, hi everyone. It's him. He's the man, him and the lady.
It's
These three people have directed me into looking something like that. I think I've never played a cop before. And we went period. So it was very, very interesting costumes, very interesting timeline to be part of. And yeah, we tried to pull something. But thoda naya hai.
Looks absolutely incredible. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sonali, I have a question for you. We are big fans, always looking forward to seeing you on screen.
Thank you.
I just wanted to ask you what made Raak special and made you say yes to it. Please.
Nikhil, you're one of the first persons I need to thank for that. Thank you for thinking of me for this role. But good evening, everybody. It's lovely to be here. And I haven't seen this teaser yet. So the story is that I get this call. Nikhil says that I think you should hear this. I'm like, are you sure it's a smaller role, as in the sense it's an interesting role, it's an ensemble cast, what is happening? And then I meet these two lovely writers, Anusha and Sandeep, and with them come this amazing director, Prasit. They sit there and narrate this story to me. And you know what? Even if I had to stand in the background, I would have said yes. That is what it was. That's what it took.
Well, kudos to the entire team, and we'd love for all of you to give us a photo opportunity. Thank you.
I also I want to thank Rishi and Sunanda for having their support through this entire journey. It really, really would not have been possible.
Yes,
so thank you for
I
that.
totally second that. It was a wonderful production. It was an intense role to play, but the production made it very easy. So Sunanda, Rishi, thank you so much for making it easy for us. Thank you.
Anu, this is your first time as a showrunner. How was your experience working with Prime Video?
Wow, this is tougher than the 12th board exams that I gave. But let me gather my thoughts. So I came into the show with novelist's instinct. I'm trained as a journalist. And I'm a screenwriter, so the habits of screenwriters, which means writing and rewriting and rewriting and rewriting and never ending the writing process. But with a show that was created by my co-showrunner, who also happens to be my brother, Prashant Raj. And then Prime Video handed over a whole new vocabulary in long format show, not just in the creative exercise of it as to how to build the show, but also in, well, team sport. And now I feel I've not only learnt the vocabulary better than how it was last year, but if writing and show running is a double-edged sword, I'm happy to walk on it again and again.
Congratulations, and we can't wait to see the end product of all your vision and hard work.
रवि जी, आपने अपने करियर में इतने सारे रोल निभाए हैं, इतना वैरायटी, तो इस शो में आप क्या नया फ्लेवर लाने वाले?
750 फिल्म और इतना सब किरदार, अनगिनत किरदार और इतना सारा प्यार आप लोगों का. Yes, in this show I'm very grateful and thankful to the writer and the director Saurabh that they gave me something different. एक तो मेरे लिए अच्छा क्या होता है इस सवाल का जवाब आज मुझे देने का मौका मिला कि कहीं मैं क्या रहता हूँ, किसी में क्या रूप धारण करता हूँ. अनगिनत रूप है मेरे. तो मेरे लिए ब्लेसिंग क्या है कि मैं पब्लिक सर्विस में हूँ एज अ पार्लियामेंट्रियन. आई मीट 1000 to 2000 पीपल एवरी डे और वो मेरे किरदार होते हैं. और मैं गोरखपुर में रहता हूँ, मैं वैसे मुंबई में अब नहीं रहता ज़्यादा, तो मुझे रोज़ नए लोग मिलते हैं और वो लोग कुछ न कुछ मेरे शरीर में आ जाते हैं, बैक ऑफ माई माइंड आ जा, तो वो मेरे लिए एक फ्रेशनेस भी रहती है. और जनता इतने 33-34 साल बाद भी बोर नहीं है. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू महादेव दैट इज़ बीन ब्लेसिंग. इसमें बहुत रस है, आपको अच्छा लगेगा. टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट है, कुछ चोरी है जो नहीं करनी चाहिए, लेकिन उस सच्चाई को बताना भी है. तो हम लोगों ने प्रयास किया है कि देश की जनता को बताएं टैक्स चोरी अच्छी बात नहीं है देश के लिए, बट उसको कैसे एक प्लान मैनिपुलेट किया गया उस किरदारों में बहुत. सौरभ ने, आदित्य हैज़ वर्कड सो गुड, परेश जी के पुत्र नहीं कहूँगा, अभी इन्होंने खुद अपने एक आइडेंटिटी बनाई है. राजेश, अश्विनी जी हमारी बहुत उम्दा कलाकार, बरखा, माय राइटर टीम, माय डायरेक्टर, एवरीबॉडी, सबको प्रोडक्शन. मैं बहुत ब्लेस्ड हूँ. बट रवि किशन को जितना प्यार लोग करते हैं, दे विल लव इट एंड I love you.
Thank you, Ravi ji. Thank you. I love you too.
I love the conversation. अभी इनके एक बच्चे के साथ, इनके बेटे के साथ जो कॉन्वर्जेशन था, चाहे वो इतना कितनी अच्छी ग्रूमिंग कर रहे हैं आप उनकी.
थैंक यू, बहुत शुक्रिया तहे दिल से आपको और आपके पूरे इस शो के परिवार को बहुत सारा प्यार. और हम सब चाहते हैं कि ये शो जल्दी से जल्द प्राइम वीडियो पे आ जाए और हम देख सके, और आपका जो है उम्दा काम जो होता है बार बार लगातार होता है, वो फिर से मिलने का मौका मिले, फिर से देखने का मौका मिले.
थैंक यू प्राइम वीडियो फॉर मेरा ये पहली शुरुआत आप लोगों के साथ अच्छे से हो रही है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आप लोगों को थैंक यू, सभी लोगों को थैंक यू.
And thank you, Nikhil and Alankrita, for having our back. It's not an easy show to make, but you've believed in it, and how. We are here because of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Nikhil, hello. Thank you.
All right, thank you. And may I please invite on stage again Sahira and Gaurav Basin to capture this wonderful moment on stage. Given your spectacular work in the past, a courtroom drama is, well, I can't say it's entirely unexpected, but definitely unusual when we look at your career repertoire. So tell us a little more about your very special film.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Nikhil. And the whole team of Amazon Prime Video. I'm very nervous. I don't know why.
You've done this before a gazillion times.
Yeah, but I'm extremely nervous. So thank you, Nikhil, Rashmi, the entire Amazon team. You guys are wonderful, and thank you for backing system. Thank you to my story writer, my producer, Harman Baveja, who's not here, who's on a holiday. And I think he needed this break. And Arun Sukumar to write this beautiful story, and I got to direct it. So I have a huge gratitude for that. We started off this film with a name called Gratitude. It was in 2025 Jan Fest. And we didn't know what name to put it on, so I just went and said Gratitude because it's Jan 1st and we are starting a film. And therefore, I have a lot of gratitude. Thank you, Ashu sir, Jyotika, Sonakshi, who's not there with us today because she's shooting an Amazon show, and the entire cast and crew who have always been there trusting me. Now, why this story? Because I just feel that as a courageous storyteller, we just need to break boundaries, and we also need to tell stories that define the pure form of humanity, of participating in stories that define society and make us as equals. So therefore, system. Yeah.
Thank you. Jyotika, we are such big admirers of your work. Can you tell us a little more about the movie without giving too much away?
So vote of thanks to everyone. As Ashwini said, I won't repeat it. Thank you, Amazon, and to Harman. About the film, I think it's a very relevant topic to the society, and that's what makes it very special. There's also twists and turns which keep you hooked on to the film. So I think that's absolutely wonderful. And to me, the best part about the film was the emotional connect between the two female protagonists, and that really got me on board when I heard the script. So it's there. We are very excited about it and leaving it to everyone now.
Lovely, lovely. And
well, Ashu, I have to just say that this is not fair because I thought I was the director who would be getting more lead parts, but it didn't happen after a certain film many years ago. But you have done such exceptional work as an actor. Lesser known fact, I have faced the camera with Ashutosh in a TV serial called Indradhanush many, many moons ago, like over 35 years ago. And now to see you, like, of course, such a prolific filmmaker, director and producer, amazing and internationally renowned. But as such an amazing actor, how does it feel being on set as an artist?
Oh, well, it's wonderful because actually it's quite liberating because as a director, you know how much time we give to our projects and, you know, we are constantly worrying about so many things in a film. I'm not saying acting is easy, but it becomes easy when you have a director like Ashwini Tiwari, who made it a cakewalk for me. I really enjoyed this part. I'm playing the part of Ravi Rajvansh. And to be collaborating with Nikhil, Prime, and Harman Baweja, who was my lead star in Vache Rashi many years ago. So it was like a coming round again, coming together again. So it's been wonderful to work with Pammiji on this film. And I look forward. Like you said, it starts here.
Yeah, it starts here, absolutely.
Thank you. All right, so I'd request everyone, the team of System, to do a photo op for us. Please, Ashu, yeah. Konkona, Jaideep has directed a wonderful series for us before, but you're donning the director's hat for a Prime Video series for the first time. Can you tell us more about this comedy drama? Firstly, why are you so good at everything you do? I just have to add that on my own. Like, why? Is there anything Konkona Sen Sharma can't do?
Stop it, Karan. Let's see how this one turns out. Luckily, I have all these other people, so they've done all the work.
Lies, na? Lies. Ek to this cast, these two. This gorgeous beauty who's a stunning actor and this genius of an artist. Yay. Like this genius. I was just telling you how much I loved him on a show that I can't talk about on this platform. But I have to say it anyway. I can't even tell you about a film that, you know, I can't say anything. Requesting everyone now to please stay and do a photo for us. Please, Nikhil, of course, join them for a picture. I'm going to step aside. My first question is to you. my dearest friend Siddharth Roy Kapoor, I want to ask you, first a show on gambling and now on spies. How do you manage to find such unique and diverse stories to make?
Well, in this case, Karan, it actually wasn't that hard. It fell into my lap because Abbas Taherwala had been living with this idea for years on end. And I'm so privileged that he shared it with me. And I guess I can only take credit for having seen the potential in it and, asking him to work with us on it. And then, of course, Priyanka Ghosh coming on board and envisioning it so beautifully. The way that she saw the show, sort of took it from the page to the screen in such a spectacular way. And then this cast, a dream cast. So
I was just watching the unit and I'm like, what a terrific ensemble. I mean, every actor on this platform has done such incredible work and all of them have done prolific work, and now to be together, I can't wait to watch this show. I really can't. So congratulations to the entire cast and to the crew and everyone behind it, Abbas and your entire crew. Congratulations. We can't wait for you to kind of release the show, drop it on our favorite streaming service, and maybe invite Sahira back on stage for our incredible photo opportunity of this incredible talent. With no bias, but anything with KK, we're definitely watching. We've also done a film together, by the way. Let's not talk about that. Sameer, how did you convince KK to do this series? What was your actual pitch to him?
Well, we all have been great fan of whatever KK sir has done so far, and in a lot of those fantastic performances, there have always been glimpses of some great humor. And we thought when we were writing Adarsh Bal Vidyalaya ki ab wo jo glimpses dekhi thi, we just put it into a whole package and see him doing something really fun. So we wrote something really funny. No, we took the script to him and scripts padhai sir ko aur uske baad sir ke pair pad gaye. So I don't know whether it was the script or hamara pair padna which convinced him, but it was a pleasure to have him.
Well, I'm so absolutely glad that he agreed, and so did this formidable cast on stage. It looks absolutely fantastic, and we can't wait to watch it. We would like to invite on stage Gaurav Bhasin, Head of Marketplace, Add-on Subscriptions and Movie Rentals, and Prime Video Ads India, along with Sahira, for our incredible photo opportunity. Some noise to the team of Adarsh Bal Vidyalaya. Congratulations, more power to this incredible team, and as I said, we can't wait to watch it. Thank you so much for joining us today. Nothing is more exciting for action and adrenaline junkies than high-speed car chases, right? Nothing. But for you, what was the most exciting part while making this incredible series?
There's so many of them, but the most exciting part was reliving the youth. This is about, the series is based in Mumbai, and it's about 4 young boys and their adventures and misadventures. And it was somewhat, it's autobiographical. So I guess that was the fun part, and that's the, the mistakes which we did, we wanted the boys to do the same mistakes. So that was the fun part, I guess, yeah.
Wow. Well, we can't wait to watch it. It all looks fantastic.
Sorry, I'm the great cast.
Of course.
I have to mention this, sorry.
All of them, incredible actors and some new faces on streaming. And we can't wait to watch the magic and the chemistry that this lead cast will bring to this fascinating show. Now, I would love for everyone to do a photo op. But before that, I'd like to invite Sahira and Gaurav Bhasin for this photo opportunity again. Please come up front, ladies and gentlemen, so the cameras can catch you in all its glory. मनीष वाइफ नहीं सॉरी एक्स वाइफ
जी सर
तुम्हारे यहाँ कितने एक्सेस तो होते ही रहते हैं तो क्या पता क्या एंड हर न्यू पार्टनर आई इन द सेम बिल्डिंग एज यू एंड योर मदर इन लॉ आई मीन योर सॉरी एक्स मदर इन लॉ वो भी बहुत है शी इज योर फ्लैटमेट हाउ डज दैट इवन हैपन रिवर्स एल्यूमिनियम में सांस मिल गई क्या
हाँ सर रिवर्स एल्यूमिनियम में मुझे सांस ही मिल गई है लेकिन सांस भी बहुत कमाल है जिसने मेरी सांस लेनी मुश्किल कर रखी है अब वो कितनी मुश्किलें आएंगी वो मैं अभी ज़्यादा नहीं बता पाऊंगा वो तो जब लोग शो देखेंगे रफू उन्हें मज़ा आएगा बट आई रियली वांट टू थैंक प्राइम वीडियो फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज अभी हम लोग रूम में थे हमने स्लेट देखी वी सॉ द परफॉर्मर्स वी सॉ द एक्टर्स वी सॉ द टैलेंट इन दैट रूम एंड ट्रस्ट मी वी फेल्ट ग्रेटफुल थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड मैं हिम्मत की दाद देना चाहता हूँ संजय जी की इन्होंने कहा मनीष तुम ही मेरा शो है इसे आगे लेके जाओगे सर मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ आपका बंगला बिकने नहीं दूंगा थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू बिनाफर मैम थैंक यू विहान आवर प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड आवर डायरेक्टर शशांक थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर गिविंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट my love or ex-love or wife or ex-wife Angira. So sir, that's the show we are bringing to you. Rafu.
माइक दे दिया ना मनीष यही प्रॉब्लम है माइक नहीं देना चाहिए था ये मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम होता है मनीष आई टोटली एम्पैथाइज माइक दे दे तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम है डिजीज है हमारा
लेकिन सर आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं एक और आशीर्वाद लेना चाहूँगा बिकॉज इन्होंने मुझे 2022 में कहा था जुग जुग जियो उसके बाद लोगों ने मुझे एक्चुअल में जुग जुग जियो कहना शुरू किया सर मेरी नई सीरीज शुरू है रफू मैं आपके चरणों को हाथ लगा के आशीर्वाद लेना चाहूँगा
और कहीं मत हाथ लगाना
बस सर एक बार झुकने तो दीजिए
नहीं नहीं प्लीज झुकना मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम है फिर मैं
I just want to tell everyone that this show
This is amazing and I have to say that one member of your cast is special to me for various reasons but mainly because we are twin birthday soulmates.
Oh really?
We are born on the same day so I'm rooting a little extra hard for this one.
Karan, I must tell you that the pitch for this show was done by Vihan here and we were absolutely sold on the first narration so congratulations Vihan.
Congratulations, and we can't wait to watch it already. This is such an incredible crew, and we'd love to capture this. And for that, we'd like to call on stage Sahira and Gaurav Bhasin to join us for this group picture. Sahira, मेरे साथ ही खड़े हो जाओ ना तुम. हाँ. Have put together one of the most eclectic ensembles for this series. It looks absolutely stunning. How did you decide about the casting of these specific roles? It just looks incredible.
So it was, it's a two-pronged thing. The first instinct was fear, and then actually instinct took over. We met these guys, and they were just perfect for us. So we went ahead and just said, "Chalo, karte hain." And yeah, that's it.
Well, that's fantastic. This ensemble is truly an ensemble of brilliance, and we can't wait for it to unfold. We'd love to... Yes, sorry, please go ahead.
Karan, you should see what all of them have brought to the show. Together with Himang, they have really elevated the material we put on paper.
Right.
It's feeling so good to see stuff that you wrote and put your labor into to be brought to life by these brilliantly talented people. It's amazing.
Well, you know, that's the fun part, is when actors take your written material and take it like literally leaps forward and ahead. That's the excitement for a showrunner, director, writers, everybody. So it truly is like music to my ears when I hear that, because I always wish for that to happen with everything we put out. I'd love to call on stage Sahira and Gaurav Bhasin to capture this beautiful and brilliant photo opportunity. My request to this terrific ensemble is to huddle and stay close so we get everybody in all your glory in the image.
Bringing together your exciting collaboration. You know, how did this happen? Tell us a little bit about it.
Karan, please.
Well, the two people responsible for this happening in our collective lives are standing right here, Mrig and Mahavirji. And both of them, I mean, Mahavirji I've known for years and years. He's been a dear, dear, dear friend. We've always wanted to come together and collaborate. I'm a big fan of Mrig's work. He's had one of the most successful comedy franchises with Fukre 1, 2, and 3. Rarely does a film, you know, get made into a third part. So when he came to me with this idea, when I heard the narration, I mean, he had me at hello in every which way. Hello to this universe. The universe was incredible. I always believe that stories of snakes, historically, in Indian cinema have always appealed to a large, vast mass audience. And you couple that with humor, with Kartik Aaryan's terrific, on-screen chemistry with other actors and his sheer presence, and I'm sure you have a bona fide success. So I'm really grateful to Mrig and to Mahavir, really, for bringing this project to Apurva, to Maraika, and to us at Dharma Productions. Thank you, Divyansh, for always taking many bullets on our collective behalf.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you.
No, please, can you tell us a little bit about this collaboration?
I'll just say, first of all, I would like to thank, on behalf of all of us from India to Amazon, because the kind of content Amazon is streaming, it is reducing the stress worldwide, and it is increasing the joy. So thank you, Amazon, for bringing such amazing content. That's what I would like to say first. And then, it was a long wish to work with Karan, Apurva, and Dharma. And I think with Nagzila, this really happened. And I would like to start with our writer and director, Mrig, and Gautam Mehra. They both came up with this idea, and then journey started. Thank you, Karan, for giving us such an amazing support to this film in all ways. And our actor Kartik is not here, but I think we had a great time shooting this. And thank you, Apurva, and thank you, Dharma. And thank you, Amazon, on coming on board for this lovely, unique subject. Thank you.
Thank you for those very kind words, Mahaviji. Mrig, I have a question for you. Creature Features enjoy this real massive global fan base. How did you plan on making Nagzila match or exceed some of the things that people have seen so far? What's different?
Usually with Creature Features, one tends to lean towards fear and horror, So the thing that we are bringing, as Karan mentioned, the unique thing that we are bringing in this film is comedy, and there's a lot of it. Probably an overdose of comedy as well. So that kind of makes it different from what usually we see in Creature Features. And of course, without compromising on the scale and on the visual aspects of the, like what is expected from a Creature Feature, So it's a heavy action, adventure, VFX-driven film, mixed with a lot of humor, a lot of bizarre situations, some very oddball characters, You know, so they're kind of all mixed up in a world where usually in my filmography, I try to bring reality and fantasy in the same breath. You know, so it's one of those where the Ichhadari Nags or the shape-shifting serpents, they're coexisting amongst us, you know, in our world. And that kind of makes it unique. It's like Hera Fairy meets Fukre in a Ichhadari world. You know, so that kind of gives it an edge to a regular creature film. You know, so I think yeah. And apart from it, it's great visuals. There are great set pieces in terms of action, in terms of adventure, as I said, and a lot of fun. I mean, we got a great cast, and we had tremendous joy shooting this film. So we'll be happy to bring it soon.
And we can't wait, and all the luck and love for all of us for the massive, super, stupendous success of Nagzilla. And may I please request everyone now to join each other for a group photo, and I'd love for Akhil to join us, along with Shilangi as well, please. Talented geniuses coming together as forces of cinema. There are not many amazing collaborations of creative minds like this. How did this exciting project come about?
I think more than me, I think A.R. Rahman and Lijo Jose Pellicer. I mean, he has his own cult following, and I'm part of the Lijo cult and the A.R. Rahman cult. So I am in this film as a producer fanboy. Somebody who just wants to watch this film, wanted to make this film happen, and it's happening with some of the most wonderful people. And I mean, it's a story that I heard 3 years ago, and I said, you know, this is a story that needs to be told, but something that I want to sit back and watch, not live with the expectations of what comes with the story. So, Nikhil, thank you for trusting us. Thank you, Amazon, for trusting us with this really, really crooked love story written by a madcap called Karan Vyas. And yeah, we are really, really thrilled to be on this journey with Amazon MGM and to take this musical. I mean, 12, 13 songs, you know, dance, music. And every day that I see the rushes, I'm just marveling that, you know, I want to be on set and learn.
There's a small trivia about this movie. Chetan and I had gone to hear the script, and it was my birthday, and then I told Hansal, thank you for a fantastic birthday gift, because it's a fantastic, lovely script. Abhay, just a few words from you about the movie.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, standing among these legends is it's more than a dream come true. And again, I would like to just mention the chance that I've gotten to work in an Lijo Jose Pellicer film, and the music by the one and only Rahman sir. But talking about chances, I spoke to my mother in the morning, and she had a very, on video call, I could see a glint of proudness in her eyes. So I just realized one thing, that I really would like to work as hard as possible to make that glint come often from me, for me. And yeah, it's बहुत सारे सपने इस फिल्म में एक ही बार में पूरे हो रहे हैं. So I'm very excited for you all to watch the film. Thank you.
Congratulations, and we can't wait to watch everything about this film unfold.